Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. We begin with currency trading. The Jamaican dollar continued to slide today. The dollar dipped to a new low, losing 89 cents to the greenback. $1 is now being sold for 141 Jamaican dollars 9 cents. Since the start of October, the Jamaican dollar has declined by 4%. The Canadian dollar is now going for $107.16. The pound closed at $178.58, while the euro ended the day at $156.84. The Executive Board of the International Monetary Fund, IMF, has completed its final review of Jamaica's performance under the program supported by the standby arrangement. Deputy Managing Director of the IMF, Zhao Zhang, noted that the Jamaican authorities have demonstrated an exemplary commitment to reforms under the two consecutive IMF-supported programs, but he stressed that the next steps should include enhanced group-wide supervision of financial conglomerates, improving data and analytics. He also noted a need for better coordination among financial regulators and improved legislative framework and further strengthening of the anti-money laundering framework. The JC index lost 1,975 points today, while the junior market index declined by 68 points. Among the winners were Mayberry Investments, Blue Power Group, AMG Packaging and Paper, G West Corporation, and Radio Jamaica. On the losing side were SSL Venture Capital, General Accident Insurance Company, Access Financial Services, Jetcon Corporation, and MPC Caribbean Clean Energy. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Good evening.